Good afternoon, guys. Thank you for allowing me to join you. Today is December 17th, 2017. And the steam coming up from the different geysers is really dark. Here's a static cam image of Old Faithful. See how dark and dirty that is? That means the ground has heated up where it's melting the material and is coming up with the steam. Here's a recent thumbnail from the Madison River area. Look at all the earthquakes. USGS has listed 68 earthquakes in this map area in the last week. The most recent, a magnitude 3.3, Stanley, Idaho. Now that's part of the Sawtooth fault system that runs up from the Snake River Plateau, which runs up to Yellowstone caldera. Three Forks, Montana had a 3.1. That was today and very shallow. That was about 1.06, about 1 mile below sea level. All earthquakes are measured from sea level. 2.1, Grace, Idaho. That's more or less likely down by that spring area, which had a swarm, probably 3 years ago. Those earthquakes are caused because of the shortening of the fault zone. As Yellowstone rises up, it puts pressure on this fault and makes it shorter, more tension. A total of 10 earthquakes so far today. On the left is Moose Creek, Idaho. In the center, this monitor is Maple Creek, and here we have the borehole for the Madison River area. It's a very deep well, borehole 207 on the right. Here is the seismic signature from the most recent earthquake that I downloaded from Moose Creek, Idaho. These are what is called volcanic signatures. There's the spectrogram. We got 2 lines of melt, and it lasted a long time. Let's bring it over. (21:25). This earthquake USGS is not reporting as of yet. It is at least a magnitude 3.58, if not larger. This here is the last earthquake that they are reporting. It actually probably is 2 earthquakes. It's got 2 signatures there. And on this monitor for Moose Creek, Idaho, we have an earthquake there. Yeah, that's harmonic tremors. We got another one there. Again, harmonic tremors. Let's take a look at the spectrogram. And then the other one. And then another one. But here you can see the last one that they reported. And the only one on the 2117 line, or 2000 hours, is a 3.3. Even though there was several. What they evidently did was put the 2 earthquakes in as one. And I come up with a magnitude 3.50, not a 3.3. This one right here comes in as a magnitude 2.73. And then the other one comes in as a magnitude 3.09. Not reporting. There's another one right there. USGS says it was a 3.0. I have it as a magnitude 3.11. And then there's one right before it that they say is a 3.0, but I come up with a magnitude 2.47. Another earthquake marked in red right there for Moose Creek, Idaho, is actually a series popping of the rock. Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, look at that. And let's go to the spectrogram. None of those are they reporting. Absolutely none of them. We got another small one down here marked in red. That one too, they're not reporting. Looks like a series of popping of the rock. That comes in as a magnitude 2.34. And there's other ones here too. We got another very tiny one there. And that would be a magnitude 1.75. We got a series of, it looks like 2 there. All right, this one right here at 7:53, 7:54. This one, they did report saying it was a magnitude 3.1 from Three Forks, Montana. 20 people said they felt that earthquake. I suppose if they could get away with it, it was much larger. It was actually a magnitude 3.63. And we'll use Google Earth and go to the location of that earthquake. Yeah, it looks like it's a sparsely populated area. So if people don't report feeling it, and they can get away with it, why not? So we got, let's look down here. We got some small farms, it looks like, down here. And remember, 20 people said they felt it. Maybe it was everyone that lives within this area. Yeah, they're claiming it was a magnitude 3.0. I don't know what building this is. There's some trucks. It's probably a factory. Okay, we got a Conoco gas station, Wheat, Montana Bakery and Deli. Yeah, my grandson's here, so you probably hear him in the background. We got an ATM. What time did this happen? 1:53 a.m. in the morning. That's Central Daylight Time. So there probably wasn't very many people around. They actually said it was a magnitude 3.1. And I got a magnitude 3.63. And that's underestimating it. This is currently what the live stream is showing. And you can see here we got, probably 4 more recent earthquakes. And 2133, like I said, they're not reporting it. Making it bigger so you can see it. We'll change the horizontal. And I'll come back down. That's where I extracted it from. Yeah, they go home at 5 o'clock, so it's probably 5 o'clock there. Right now it's 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And, well, I zoomed out. Let me go back in, because then I'm going to get all kinds of other stuff. And we'll pull it over here, because I want to see the last. 2117 was the last earthquake they reported. Stanley, Idaho. One person did say they felt that earthquake. So it's probably that one right there. That's the last one they reported. 2116, 2114, they did not report. And these down here, they did not report also. Because they went home. Even this one that they downgraded greatly. I got a magnitude 2.97. 30 minutes after midnight Universal Time. They're saying that it was a magnitude 2.3. Now that comes from the Bureau of Mines and Geology there in Montana. 30 minutes after midnight. That was actually a 2.97, almost a 3.0. And we'll take a look at the spectrogram. I have found that the earthquakes that happen, by Yellowstone, because of Yellowstone, they greatly underestimate them. Don't want people to panic. But remember, Hank Hessler said when they started having magnitude 2s, they would worry. And there's all kinds of them going on now. All kinds of them. Current view of the live webcam. Steaming away. It's really cold there. Right now it's 12 degrees Fahrenheit. And the wind chill is 6 degrees. So that's all I have for you right now. Yeah, things are definitely heating up around the world, aren't they? Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to put a comment so YouTube does not unsubscribe you thinking you're a little bot of some sort. And thank you very much for your support. Please stay safe, and I will talk to you later. God bless y'all. Bye.